Transferring money in Union Bank to PayPal is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First step is to open your web browser. From there, go to paypal.com. So this will direct you to the homepage of PayPal. Here you can either sign up or log in to the PayPal account. Let's say you already have an account. You have to tap on Login. In the next few steps, you only have to provide email or phone number. Then click Next. So in case you have to create an account, tap on the Sign Up button. Now choose an account type, whether it's a personal account or a business account. Here provide further information, then click on Next. Now let's look at how you can transfer money to a PayPal account from a bank. This is pretty simple. First, go to your wallet. Then click Transfer Money. Here click Add Money to your balance. And then follow along the instructions. So, transferring money from a Union Bank account to PayPal is very easy to do by linking and verifying your bank account in PayPal, initiating the transfer and confirming the details. This process allows you to use your PayPal balance for online transactions and provides flexibility in managing your finances. With funds in your PayPal account, you gain greater flexibility for making online payments. PayPal is widely accepted by various online merchants and services, making it convenient for online shopping, subscriptions, and digital purchases.